know they say when three kings get together, they meet at the round table. So for the still city, still state, it's that round table.
Thank you guys for tuning in. You watching JFK's Way, man, and I'm JFK. If you guys got an Instagram, you can head on over to Instagram. You can check me out under JFK_the Great. You guys can check me out, follow me on Instagram, see stuff that I post up periodically here and there. You know what I do. If you don't know what I do, you probably should. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe, hit the likes. Like I said, get familiar with some of the stuff that I'm dropping, I'm presenting to you guys. I'm a collector. Anybody that knows me knows that I love collecting. So I love clean fly fitteds. I love comics. I love sneakers. So caps, comics, and kicks. It's kind of like my thing. So today I'm keeping it a little basic, man. Keep sticking to the majority. You know what today is? Today is release day. So I'm showing you guys some comics that released today. So first of all, we gonna start today. I'm gonna start a little different. I'm not gonna start with the majors. I'm not gonna go Marvel. I'm not gonna go DC to begin with. I'm gonna show you guys something from Dark Horse Comics actually. So we're gonna start this off with God of War. This cover is crazy nice, man. Crazy. Like it's one of my favorite artists. Again, one of my current favorite artists. His name is Dave Raposa. If you check back, you scroll back through some of my lists, you see in a few videos I mentioned his name. He has great artwork, man. I love his artwork. This God of War cover is God of War Fallen God. That's the title of the series. I had to pick this up, man. And actually, my store did not have too many of these, so you guys might want to start checking around for these, because eventually, if it blows up, you're gonna be like, damn, we probably should have jumped on that bandwagon. But God of War, man, check it out. Fallen God. It's a great cover. Now the next one I'm gonna get into is also not from the majors, man. It's not from Marvel. It's not from DC. We're gonna go Image Comics real quick for you guys, man. This right here, I was born in the year of the tiger, so you about to see the reason why I just had to jump on this. I love the artwork. This is from Eric Larson. This is Savage Dragon. Yes, I know a lot of you guys probably watching, or if you're in the comments are like, what? Savage Dragon, bro? You bought a Savage? Yes, I bought a Savage Dragon comic. I kind of had to say that 30 times over. Savage Dragon. I bought a Savage Dragon, but I had to, man. Love this cover. Love this cover. You guys see like a kid Savage Dragon down there, and he's sitting right there next. He on a block, man. He on a block with it next to the tiger, man. So I love this cover. It's a good cover. Great artwork by Eric Larson, by the way, man. He's been around for a while, but he's been around for definitely over 2 decades, killing covers, doing a lot of artwork. Now this is his series. Now you guys see this one, right? I'm gonna show you guys something. Now this is cover 8. This is the regular cover. This right here is the variant cover. Same cover, but if you look at the top of that, you look at the header, you look at that title bar, it's a little different. If you look at this one, it's like a bluish purplish kind of shade. Now if we backtrack and we look at this one, it's yellow. And that's also missing the Marvel homage title that they put at the top of this one. It says Image Comics Group. Marvel have been doing that. They did it years and years. You know, that's a throwback for Marvel to have Marvel Comics Group. It's Image Comic Group. So I love that they did that. We're going to keep the train rolling. We going to keep it on the image side real quick, man. Now this cover, this is beautiful. This is probably one of the best covers of the day for me. This is from another artist that I mention frequently. Her name is Marka Andolfo. Now this right here is Deep Beyond. It's a series that recently started. This is issue 3. So you go back maybe like 3 months, 2 months ago it just started. So it's a good cover, man. I love that artwork. That artwork is beautiful. Marka Andolfo, Deep Beyond issue 3 variant. Killer cover, man. Again, we keep it on the not so popular side right now, right? Let me scroll through this and see what else. Whoo! Ooh, that skull. This right here is a cover from a man named Jason Fabok. Now, Jason has been around for a while. He bounces around a little bit. Now, this is an Image book still. This is an indie book. This is issue 1. The series just started. But he's done DC stuff, Batman and Flash crossover stuff that they were doing as of recent. Like a few years back, 2-3 years ago, he was doing covers for that. Love this cover, man. I love this cover. And my guy at the store, he was like, I think that cover glows. I checked it out, Tim. I tried, but it doesn't glow. But it looked like it do, right? They probably got a glow version out there somewhere. It's probably like a foil version or like a store exclusive maybe. It looked like it glows. But let's see what else we're going to scroll through here and grab. Now this right here, this is a cover, believe it or not, from Peach Momoko. And I don't really buy a lot of Peach Momoko books anymore. I was a huge fan initially. I love Japanese culture. If you guys, anybody that knows me personally, you know I'm big into Japanese stuff. I love Japanese anime. One of my dreams is to go to Japan. But this right here totally gives you that Japan feeling. This is a second print book, actually. This is the second print of Demon Days right here. Cover by Peach Momoko, man. Definitely a nice cover. Definitely a little twist, man. It's not something you see all across shelves, everywhere, all across the board. It's not it's not the most common of art, you know. So I think that's one thing that really stands out with her. That was some Marvel book. We're gonna jump over to the DC train. Also from Mirko Andolfo, which is the artist I showed you before. This right here is Far Sector. Now this cover right here, it shows this is, yes, a female Green Lantern. She's actually been around for a while, but if you guys that don't know, I'm just trying to bring you guys up to speed a little bit. This is a great cover done from Mirko Andolfo once again, man. Far Sector, issue 11. Issue 11, variant cover. Love the artwork, man. You see her, she's just like, think about it. Look, she kind of fixing her glasses a little bit. She's either like, think about it or let me fix my glasses. It's a great cover. Great cover. Now this right here, this is actually, I believe, the last issue of King in Black. Don't quote me on that though, because I haven't been keeping up too much with this series. Book-wise I have, reading-wise I have not. The writers, I'm not too you know, all over the board about this, but this is King in Black. You see my man Surf's Up, man. You see my man Silver Surfer right there. He getting it rocking. You know I like Silver Surfer. Anybody that knows me knows I'm a slight Silver Surfer fan. I like Silver Surfer. So this is a good cover. It's a cover done by Lineal Yu. Now this right here, Avengers Merc Strike, is probably one of the best covers of the day, man. Again, I'm just showing you stuff that I bought. Everybody got their own opinion. You might have bought 30 other books that wasn't none of the stuff that I bought. But this is Avengers Merc Strike. It's like Avengers with their own like Gundams, kind of like. So this right here is a cover done from David Nakayama. I like some of his artwork too, man. He's hit or miss sometimes, but this one right here, he definitely hit on this one. I appreciate this cover. I think to get this graded, it'll look great with a blue label. So I would definitely want to submit one of these eventually to CGC or get one that's already graded, which I don't do too often, but I might have to end up doing that, man. This is a nice cover though. I really like this cover. I ended up seeing a little damage actually on my copy after I bought it, of course. But I like it. It's a good cover. It's really good. It stands out. Now we're going to jump on the Spider-Man page for a quick second. Now the variant, they did not have the variant for me, which I did order. But I guess my store did not order, you know, a ton of copies to get it. But this is from one of my favorite artists nonetheless, Mark Bagley, the King Bagley. This is Amazing Spider-Man 63. Now, yes, this is just a regular cover. This is not a variant. Excuse me, before I get ahead of myself. This is not a variant cover. I wish it was, but I will show you guys the variant cover for the book that came out as well. That's actually a strikeout for me. So I'll try to chase it sooner or later. It's not a book that I absolutely just immensely need. There's some Lady Death stuff coming out pretty soon. So this weekend is holding my wallet a little bit. This weekend is some Lady Death stuff coming out, but this right here is just, again, it's just a great cover. So I'm not going to chase that variant right now, but I'll show you guys. Like I said, I'll display the variant for you guys so you guys can see it. Let me know in the comments if you like it, if I should be chasing it, maybe I should not. This right here is going to be a cover from Dustin Weaver. The next one we got up is the Avengers, man. The Avengers, issue 44. Boom. Now this right here is supposed to be the final piece to the connecting covers. If you check back a few videos ago, I actually said I believe I had all the connecting covers. Now this one is actually the last one. They've been dragging this connecting cover thing out, but all for good reason, man. Dustin Weaver killed these covers, man. So this one's nice. This is really nice. I like this cover a lot. Not too bad. A little shocking because, like I said, I thought there was another one. You guys see Red Widow right here in the background. If you guys don't know, you're not familiar with that character, look it up. Get into it. And last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys. You know what? I'm gonna save this one for the next video. I ain't gonna display this one to you guys. I'm gonna save the best for last because I feel like this was probably the best cover of the week. This is The Next Batman, Second Son, issue 1 from my guy, the homie Ken Lashley. Now, if you're even familiar with my voice speaking in videos, you know I done mentioned the man a few times. He killed this cover. Now, this Batman, look, I'm giving it away already. This Batman is supposed to be black. So you guys stay tuned. If you're into reading, definitely get a hold of one of these copies, or go online or wherever you're at to get books. Read this. Let me know what you guys think about this. But Ken Lashley smoked this cover, man. This is definitely a home run cover, and it's actually just a cover price second variant. Like, it's not even like a big price book at this moment. So one of my favorite covers, absolutely, for the day. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna end it right here, and I'm gonna say the best for the next one when I show you guys what's coming up and what I got coming for you guys. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
I'm the flyest to ever walk in here. You might be listening, wondering.